What it do, Grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is follow these guidelines. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and watch this video all the way to the very end, and look out for a code word that will pop up in this video, and then type that down in the comments below. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win some free money. So follow those guidelines and get a chance to win this free money. Now let's get into this video.
This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best money-making apps that pays $20 an hour. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button for me. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on what I'm talking about today in this video. Now, before I get into the best money making apps, please follow me on Instagram. I'm trying to get my followers up. I'm at 295. I'm trying to get to 500. Once I get to 500, one of my followers is going to get a free giveaway. So please go to @AppGrind and follow me today. All right, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because you don't want to miss none of these apps that's going to make you $20 an hour. Without further ado, let me go ahead and hop over to the first app so you can start making this money. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm at the first app, and the name of this app is WeGoLook. So let me scroll down here, and we'll learn a little bit about this app. So if you're looking to earn extra cash, WeGoLook can help. Simply use your phone and your app to complete looks, easy tasks, on behalf of our customers. For example, we will pay you to take photos of a car listed on eBay to help an out-of-town buyer verify the current condition. Other looks may include pickup and delivery of a police report, really, or taking video of a working pinball machine. Most looks pay between $15 and $25 and take less than an hour to complete. So guys, those tasks are very, very simple, and you're making almost to $25 for each one. Guys, this is a deal breaker here. This is an app that you need to download. Now let's scroll down here and look at the rating. So out of 5 stars is 3.5. I know that's under 4 stars, because I always say anything 4 and up is a very good app. So this is in the middle of the road app, and most of the times, because they do an update on these apps, and people do not like the updates because maybe some of the features are not running correctly like they did before, so they usually correct them, and then the app start working good. So let's just scroll down here and look at one review. So let's look at April. She says app is growing and learning with the company. That the company is amazing, and this app is my best kept secret. So this person is loving this app. They're really loving this app, and you can too, guys. So if you're ready to go ahead and get started with this app, go ahead and go to WeGoLook, and this is in the Google Play Store. Now let me go to the next app. All right, I'm at the next app, and the name of this app is Taster by TaskRabbit. Find flexible work. So on this screenshot here, it says Earn money your way. Furniture assembly, home repairs, help moving, cleaning, mounting, yard work, shopping, delivery, lifting. So almost anything you can think of for as handiwork, this app right here can provide it to their customers. And you're going to be the one that's going to be providing this service to people, and they're going to pay you some good money on this app. So let's go ahead and read a little bit more. Scroll down here. Okay, say why earn money on TaskRabbit? So contactless. To ensure everyone's safety, TaskRabbit now includes the option for tasks in a category to be contactless. So because of what's going on in the pandemic, they have a feature on here where it's contactless, so the customer won't have to deal with the tasker. So let's see, let's scroll down here and just look at the key points on here. Let's see where it says how tasking works. So simply set up your schedule and clients will send you invitations to complete their tasks based on your unique qualifications and availability. That's really cool, guys. That's really cool. So it's all up to you whenever you're available. And make money. Invoice get paid directly through our secure payment system. Clients are encouraged to tip following each completed task. You keep the whole amount. So guys, they encourage the clients to tip you when you come there and do a task. That's something else, guys. That's something else. So let's scroll down here. Now, don't get discouraged, guys. Don't get discouraged. Out of 5 stars is 2.6. I know that's real low. But again, TaskRabbit is a good app and it's been around for a long time. So they probably fixed the issues. Here it is, like right here. So I have been doing, let me just go ahead and read this review right here by Rachel Anderson. She said, I have been doing TaskRabbit for over 2 years now. I love the flexibility, being my own boss, setting my own schedule, meeting new people, and feeling more in control of my financial situation. Unfortunately, the app is problematic. I constantly hear from other taskers with the Android phones. But check this out. So they've been having problems. They've been hearing about problems with the Android phones. It says problematic. But check this out. TaskRabbit responded to this issue. So they said, hi Rachel, thanks for tasking with us. We're deeply sorry for any inconvenience our Android tester app caused. If you like troubleshooting assistant, please reach out to us at help@helptr.co. We hope to be able to deliver a better app experience for you soon. So this person has issues with the app, and TaskRabbit responded and said, hey, we're here to help you so you can have a better experience with this app. So that's real good, guys. So if you're having any type of issues with this app, they're going to reach out. Look at that. All these people that did having some issues, TaskRabbit reached out to them to let them know that we're going to help you solve this issue so this app will give you a better experience. But this app, they pay, the clients will pay the taskers anywhere from $20 to $25 an hour. So this is a real good app, guys. I'm telling you, don't be discouraged about the rating. This is a good app and you're going to make some good money. It's been around for a while. Very reliable app, very reliable company, and you will not be disappointed with this app. So to get started with this app, go ahead and go to Taster by TaskRabbit, find flexible work. And this is in the Google Play Store. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 100 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about these two apps. And don't forget to type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And please share this all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Alright guys, I said in some of my other videos that I want to give a shout out to somebody that comments. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and do a shout out right about now. I'm going to tell you right now who I'm going to shout out, and I'm going to show you their comment. Okay, so I want to give a shout out to Priscilla Rodriguez. Thank you for your comment. As you can see, that's her comment right there. Thank you, and thank you for subscribing. Hope you did subscribe. All right, guys, that's all I have for today. Thank you for tuning in. Road to 5,000. Let's get there, guys, by the end of this month. By the end of November, we're going to make it. Let's get there, guys. Let's get there, grind family. We can make it. All right, one more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Peace, and have a prosperous day.
Get your grind on.